Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Harshan from Department of Electronics and Communication, SVC Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about human eye comparison with camera. In this video, I am going to compare the human eye with a camera. Before starting with the introduction, I request you guys please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please check out the description. I'm given the LinkedIn and Twitter and Instagram links there. And please follow me out there. Okay, let's start with introduction. The human eye and camera are both visual systems. They capture, process image for us to perceive and understand the world. Understanding their similarities and differences can help us to appreciate their complexity. You can see in this diagram that both the camera and eye having the same similarities. The camera have lens, the eye also have a lens, and eye has a pupil, camera has aperture, and eye has iris and camera, diaphragm, and here retina, and here pupil. Making this video more interesting, I added some interesting facts. That is, according to the scientist and photographer Dr. Roger Clark, the resolution of human eye is 576 megapixels. That huge when you compare it to the 12 MP of iPhone 7. How powerful is eagle eye? Eagle have highly developed sense of sight which allows them to easily spot prey. Eagles have excellent 20 by 5 vision. Compare it to the average human who only has 20 by 20 vision. This means eagle can see things from 20 feet away that we can see from 5 feet away. Let us see anatomy of human eye. Human eye consists of various structure including cornea and iris, lens and retina. This is cornea, iris and this is lens and this is retina. These structures work together to focus light onto the retina and transmit visual signals to the brain. Retina consists of photoreceptor cells called rods and cones, which convert light into electrical signal. The light signal enters to this lens and passes here, and retina will convert that light signal into electrical signal and it passes through the brain. Similarly, let us see an anatomy of camera. Camera typically includes lens, aperture, shutter, and image sensor. The lens focuses light onto the image sensor, which captures the image. Aperture controls the amount of light entering the camera, while shutter controls the exposure time. Here, this 13th one is called as the aperture, and this 7th one is the shutter. Let's see an image formation in eye. Light enters the eye through the cornea and passes through the pupil. The lens in the eye adjusts its shape to focus the light onto the retina. The retina converts the light into electrical signals that are sent to the brain for interpretation. Image formation in camera. Light enters the camera through the lens and passes through the aperture. The lens in the camera focuses the light onto the image sensor. The image sensor captures the lights and converts it into the digital information. Resolution and sensitivity in human eye. Human eye can perceive a wide range of color and has a high resolution. It contains about 120 million rods for a low light vision and 6 million cones for a color vision. Human eye sensitivity to the light allows us to see in various lighting conditions. Resolution and sensitivity in a camera. Camera can have different level of resolution measured in megapixels. Higher megapixels result in more detailed images. Camera also have adjustable sensitivity settings, allowing them capture images in low light conditions. Let us see a depth field in human eye. Human eye can adjust its depth of field, allowing us to focus on object at different distances. This ability is due to the lens changing shape to accommodate the near or far vision. The brain processes the visual signal to create a sense of depth perception. Let's see an example here. This is the object we are taking, that is a tree. We are focusing on only this tree. That is depth of focus, and out of focus are these both other trees which are not in focus. Means you are only focusing on the this middle tree. Okay, by changing the shape of your eye lens. And another example is this is house and tree and car. We are focusing only on the tree now. Here, the only focused object is the tree, and the other two objects, which are house and car, are blur. Depth of field in camera. Camera also adjusts the depth of field by changing the aperture size. In image, you can see there are various size of apertures are here. Okay, larger aperture, smaller f number means this is having a larger aperture here. That creates a shallow depth of field, blurring the background. Means this is another example here. You can take shallower depth of field, that is 2.8, the example they are taken. The man is focusing the flower. This is in focus, and the animal and the tree is out of focus. By this, the camera will blur the background, only focusing the flower. Smaller aperture, larger f number creates a larger depth of field, keeping more of the scenes in focus. Means it will focus the more scenes here. Means here more depth of field. Okay, more depth of field. Here in focus is the flower as well, animal, tree. Here all are focused. Okay, there is very less of blur is there. Here in this middle case, the flower and animal is focused and tree is out of field, means it is blurred. By this adjustment we can select according to our requirement and we can take our picture. Image processing in human eye. Human brain processes visual information received from the eye. It interprets color, shape and patterns to create our perception of the world. A human brain also fills missing details, resulting in the visual illusion. Image processing in camera. Cameras can apply various image processing techniques to enhance or manipulate images. These techniques include adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and applying filters. Image processing in camera is typically done by using the software algorithms. I'll give you some example for software algorithms which are Adobe Lightroom, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Snapseed, and many more editing applications. Let us conclude our video. The human eye and camera are remarkable visual systems with their own unique capabilities. While the human eye is a biological marvel, camera provides us with the ability to capture and perceive a moments. Understanding the similarities and differences between the human eye and a camera can deepen our appreciation for the wonders of the vision. Here, camera wins because we can capture high quality images and record the high quality videos with the optical image stabilization. And I also have a optical image stabilization, but it's not up to mark as a camera. And I also have good visuals as I first said, it has 576 megapixels of equivalent camera. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further updates and like the video.